All right, here we have number 15. And in order to get our answer, we're going to be summing a series. We're given that the probability of n claims is equal to 1 over 2 to the n plus 1 claims. That's in one given week. And then we're given a time span of 2 weeks and independence between those 2 weeks, which means our probability in 1 week can be multiplied by our probability in the other week to get our value. And we're asked to find the probability that there were exactly 7 claims during this 2-week period. So there's only a handful of ways that could happen. We could have 0 claims in week 1 and 7 claims in week 2. If we plug our claim values into this formula here, this expression that we were given, 1 over 2 to the n plus 1 means we're going to have 1 over 2 to the 0 plus 1, which is 2 to the 1, or just 2, times 1 over 2 to the 7 plus 1 is 8. And we can simplify that as 1 over 2 to the 9th. Let's check out the next week. We could have, or the next case. We could have 1 week, 1 claim in week 1 and 6 claims in week 2. That would be 1 over 2 squared times 1 over 2 to the 7th. Again, just substituting in 1 over 2 to the 9th. And you may think you see the pattern here. Let's do one more to be sure. We could have 2 claims in week 1, 5 claims in week 2, total of 7 claims. And our probability, according to our formula and our independent statement, is 2 to the 3rd times 1 over 2 to the 6th, which is again 1 over 2 ninths. So at this point, the question just becomes, how many of these 1 over 2 ninths statements are we going to have? Well, we could have 3 claims in week 1 and 4 in week 2. We could have 4 and then 3. We could have 5 and then 2. We could have 6 and then 1. Or we could have all 7 claims in the first week and no claims in the second week. Either way, every time we take these numbers and plug them in here and do our multiplication, we're going to get 1 over 2 to the ninths. And how many cases do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer to our question here is 8 times 1 over 2 to the 9th. And if you plug that into your calculator, you're going to get 1 over 64.